Hi, I'm Murdo, paint expert from Resene. Today I'm going to show you how to paint a balustrade. As always, prep is key. Apply Resene Moss and Mould Killer, leave for 12 to 24 hours to probably kill off the mould spores, and then scrub with Resene Timber and Deck Wash. Rinse it off with water and leave to dry. Give it a light sand, then give them a dust off. If your balustrades are natural timber, prime with Resene Quick Dry. If the balustrades have been stained before, then you will need to prime with Resene Wood Primer before applying paint. Give it a light sand. Give everything a good dust down, remembering to keep your mask on. Fill any nail holes and spot prime your filler as required. Then apply 2 coats of Resene Lumbercider for a low sheen finish, Resene Sonics 101 for a semi-gloss finish, or Resene High Glow for a high gloss finish. There you have it, job done.